All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, we got a
staple with my finger.
He's gonna staple his finger. I'm gonna pull it out with these pliers right here. All right, you ready? Oh, he's upset.
Look away.
Oh, no, see, you did it. You got it?
Yeah.
Show it.
It ain't even leaking.
Ain't even leaking.
Ain't
Look
even
at you.
leaking, people.
You did good, boy. You did good. I'm the surgeon.
Hey, I didn't cry, though. You know what I'm saying?
Surgeon, Dr. Demp, you didn't cry. I seen you look. Not with them blood hands, boy.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
Wrap it
Nah,
up
you
with
did
the
good, buddy. You did good.
tape, it'll be all
Good
right.
job.
Hey.
Put some duct tape on.
I let it stand there for a while. That's a super duty worker for you, people.
Yeah. Blood on his hood and everything. Look at all the
You guys stay tuned. If you like that content, I hope there's no more of it.